Today we are finally installing my Built 4 G63 into my Time Attack EVO 9. Let's go ahead and get the engine mounts installed. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to compare the weight from my old mounts to my new engine mounts. So we'll get all the old mounts and bolts and then back transmission bracket into this bin. We'll give it away. Okay, so 14.6 pounds were the old mounts and bolts. We'll get all our new mounts and bolts in. So all in all together, these mounts and bolts are 6.1 pounds lighter. That's a huge improvement. Let's go ahead, get this driver side engine mount on. Technically it's a transmission mount. There's two brackets on this back transmission mount side. There's this one, and then there's one that bolts to this, and it holds a lollipop that goes to the subframe. Oh shit, it's fucking the wrong direction.
Yeah, I was about to say, why can't I do the other side?
Yeah. It's like things are gonna get dinged up. It's kind of.
I think they might as well take me back.
On the cowl.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna go a little lower. How bad's it hitting over there?
That should be just straight from the side.
Pull it this way. Let's get it underneath. Oh, okay. Well,
You weren't that.
anyway. Huh?
I said you're in on the side.
Okay. Close. Push the transmission, yep, towards the rear. Why is it back out? It just has to be that perfect, huh? All right, I need you off camera. All right. So we're gonna go up a little bit. Okay. We can go down. Let's not do all that. All right, moment of truth. Gonna lower the engine hoist off of it. Hey. Dang, look how it's... She's in there. Three years later, the engine is back in the Evo. Woo! That was a Kunta. One huge step for bang for buck racing. The 2.2 liter stroker I built is in the car thanks to help from Chico from Rev1. Check out his YouTube channel. My cameraman David also had to put the camera down, help a little bit. There's still lots for me to do to figure out route, setup, make some custom stuff, but this was a huge step for me. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos. Y'all have a good one now. Peace out.